Okay, so has anyone here made ice cream before? Yeah? We need milk. So I went and bought chocolate milk because I was too lazy to buy chocolate flavoring. You put it here. You think this is sweet enough already? Or should we add more sugar?
More sugar!
Okay, so we're now going to mix it. Why do I need a helmet, you think? If I get it in my face, I might burn my face. We're going to freeze the ice cream. So do we like it soft serve or a bit more hard?
A bit harder.
Okay. Okay, how long did that take? Did anyone take time?
Well, can I see it?
A few seconds.
A few seconds? No, it's more than that.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Not now, less than 5 minutes.
Oh!
About probably 2. Okay,
Finally!
so what did you see? What was coming out of here a while ago?
Air conditioning.
Air conditioning. There's water, so that's smoke. So there's water vapor all around it, and then when we added the liquid nitrogen, what happened to the air? It got cooled down. You said it's air conditioning around here. So we were cooling down the
I didn't get any.
water vapor, and they condenses and turn into smoke. Okay, so you got the right answer, so you get an ice cream first. So in an ice cream, we used just milk, some sweetener, and some flavoring. In this case, we used chocolate. And then we used liquid nitrogen to freeze it very, very fast. How long did the freezing take place? Less than 2 minutes, right? It was very, very cold. How cold is liquid nitrogen? Minus 196 degrees Celsius. It's very, very cold, and so we can freeze the ice cream very, very fast. So at home, you don't have the liquid nitrogen, of course, but what you can do is just take milk, stir it very, very, very well, and then you can leave it in your freezer for a longer period of time. Make sure that your freezer is less than negative 10 degrees Celsius, because some freezers have higher rating. In that case, your ice cream will not freeze. So the difference is what we did today, it took 2 minutes. For you, you will probably take overnight to freeze your ice cream. This is Dr. Mayro Salvador. Thank you for watching Gen Learners. And we are from Pueblo Science.
My ice cream! I ate my ice